Hey, what's going on guys? It's your boy AMG here and I'm back again with another exciting video for you guys. And I know you guys love watching unboxing videos very much. You have killed the last unboxing videos which I have uploaded. So I thought why not bring another unboxing video, and this time it's a mystery box unboxing video. And that mystery box is meant for my pet birds, the cockatiels, which I got in my previous video. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you go and watch that and come back and watch this video. So yeah, that's the mystery box which we are going to unbox in our today's video. It's actually already open, but inside that box there are lots of other items. My mom ordered everything and I don't know what's in there. So she opened the box to check if everything is in there and also to censor the information and stuff, and that's the reason the box is open. So first of all, I will get each and every item out of the box and show it to you. Then I will give you a closer look on each and every item. So before doing that, let me show you guys the birds. One of you guys commented down below saying that please put the cage a bit higher, and I said, really? Is it necessary? So guys, after searching on the web, I came to know that the cage should be on such a level. It should be like in the middle level. It should not be too high nor be too low. So because if it's too high, the birds will think that they are superior to us, and if it's too low, the birds will always be scared of us. So thanks a lot to the one who let me know that the cage should be at a certain level. Thanks a lot, I really appreciate that. And yeah, I'm always learning new things even from you guys, so thanks a lot. There you go guys, that's the cage and the birds which I got in my previous video. Make sure you go and check that video out. And these birds are doing absolutely fine. And this guy is really naughty. He always thinks of how to escape from this cage. And I just refilled their containers, and the black container I'm using it for feeding them with fruits and veggies. That's why it's out of the enclosure right now, out of the cage right now. So with that being said, let's go and unbox our mystery box. So guys, let's check out the first item of our mystery box. All the safety stuff, let's put that aside. So let's go with the smallest item to the biggest item. This is the first item, and it's cuttlefish bone. I'll give you guys a closer look later in the video. Oops, I got the wrong one out. It says from small to big. This is the next smallest package. And this is the third one which I got out just now. And last one, oh my god, this is what, it's heavy. So this is the last package. Something is moving in there. So yeah, that's all we got. We have got 3 to 4 packages. So let me get you guys out and give you guys a closer look on what all did I get. So there you go guys, this is the first item, and it's the cuttlefish bones. So the cuttlefish bones are basically used for the calcium supplement. They are used like a calcium supplements for the birds, and these you can use these like sometimes when you're not feeding your birds with vegetables and fruits, but if you're giving them a proper nutrition diet, you don't need this. But yeah, you can use this also occasionally, it's not a bad thing. So this is the first item, it's the cuttlefish bones. If you don't know what a cuttlefish look like, I'll be putting a picture right over here so that you guys can see. It's something like an octopus. So yeah, this is the first item and it's from the Birds company. Human edible ingredients. I'm not gonna eat that though. And yeah, the next smallest item is this one. So let's unbox it and let's check it out. This is the weapon. Please do not try this at home. I hope I don't rip off everything. So this is our next item and it's the nesting, which is used basically in the breeding box. So I think we all can guess what the biggest and heaviest item was. This gives us the hint to that. If you guys know, put it down in the comments below right now. Now let's move on to the next item. Oh, this is also not that light, it's a bit heavy. We don't need any tools for opening it. Oh, I think we should save this item for last. First, let's open our biggest package of all. I think I should have got some scissors. It's exactly what I guessed. I guess even you guys have guessed that. Thanks to my mom for ordering this mystery box and making this video happen. And she exactly knows what the birds need, so it's really nice. So there you go guys, that's the breeding box right over there. It's a bit dusty, but it's okay. I'm gonna clean it, dust it out, and then put it in our cage. Oh. Just let's, I think I must move it out of this cover. So this is what it was. It's like you know, birds sit on this near the breeding box. So that's what it is. We're gonna figure it out how to put it later, not now. Let's unbox our last and final item. Let's keep this aside. It's all rusty and having sawdust on it. And now let's get our last and final item. There you go. This is our last and final item. I guess we don't need any tools to unbox it, as I said earlier. And I saw a glimpse of it and I know what it is, so there you go guys. Oh, I love doing this. I love popping the bubble wrap. It's like, I guess, satisfying. So now let's get this open. I think I might need my unboxing tool. Here you go guys, these are the toys for the birds to spend their time. Let's put the bubble wrap aside and let's unbox one by one. Now I need the unboxing tool. So this looks like a ladder. Okay you guys, this is, yeah, in fact there are 2 ladders, one horizontal and one vertical. I guess we have to put it diagonally. So these are the 2 things. Let's keep them aside. Looks like there are some bells too. Oops. Oh, it doesn't want to go down. So there you go guys. There are 2 of these. It's pretty good that everything in there is 2 because I have got 2 birds. And what's this? Oh my god, this is also dusty. It's some kind of a hanging. I'm gonna dust all of them out and then put them into the cage. Another toy with bells. So there you go. This is the next one. Actually, we have got a lot of toys in one single package. This looks like another type of a ladder. Oh, this is actually a ladder which is meant to be hanging like this. What's this? This looks like another kind of hanging. Our cage is gonna be all full by the end of this video with all these toys. So there you go. There are some shapes and stuff on this, and it's another kind of hanging. And let's open our last and final toy. What is this one? This is another kind of hanging as well. You see how dusty it is? So yeah, this is another kind of a toy. And this is all kind of like a mesh material. So yeah, that's another one. I guess this had to be joined somewhere, but I don't know. So yeah, that's all the toys we got. Guys, I'm gonna dust out all of the toys and I'm gonna see you then. Guys, before that, if you like this video, if you are enjoying this video, make sure you go, I know you're enjoying this video, so make sure that you go and hit that like button right away. And if you are new on my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on the videos which I upload. So with that being said, see you guys later. So there you go guys, I have listed out all of the toys and let me show you what I got. These are the toys which I got. This is the breeding box bedding or nesting, and these are the cuttlefish bones. Hand-picked cuttlefish bone to meet the daily nutrition requirement for your birds, and it is suitable for birds like finches, parakeets, parrots, and it's suitable for cockatiels. Oh, I think they were calling me. So the birds company can select premium in all natural hand-picked. So thank God they wrote here it's not for human consumption, or people seeing this might try eating it. So yeah, that's all the forgot about this breeding box. I didn't like the quality of the breeding box, but the toys are really lit, guys, because it's not finished properly, as you can see. This should actually be at the other side, and there are holes at the other side as well. So, but I didn't like the finishing and stuff. It's good, it's not bad. I'm not saying that it's bad, but I just didn't like the finishing. I don't know if this was done in shipping or what, but yeah, comparing to the quality of toys and the cuttlefish bone, I didn't like this. I like the toys a lot. And so if you want to know or want to buy the same stuff, I will be putting the links down in the description below, so that you can go and get the exact same stuff if you like them. And you know, really, the cuttlefish bones are also pretty good. They are insect free, as you can see. There are nothing roaming around, no creepy crawlies in them. They are of pretty good quality, I must say, because I have seen the comments of other companies and they said like it had insects and stuff in them when it got shipped to them. But yeah, these cuttlefish bones are of high quality, very nice. Now it's time, let's put all these toys in our cage. So let's go and put all our toys in. Guys, I came to put the toys in and I saw they was eating. Oh, that guy got scared and went up. I tried a lot to train them, but no luck. So now let's go and put the toys in. Can you see that, guys? They are on that little guy right there, which is sitting down. He's eating right now. I don't know if you're able to hear that sound. It's like a ticking song. And now I'm gonna go and put the toys in. So make sure you enjoy the time lapse. See you after putting all the toys in. Guys, after a lot of hustle and readjusting the stuff, finally got all the toys in. Initially they were a lot scared, but then they settled down, and this guy tried to even escape when I was setting up the toys. So yeah, this is really a naughty bird right over here. I definitely want to get them trained and adjusted. I guess they were scared because this cage was at ground level, but now as I came to know, I moved it a bit higher. So guys, I have tested all of it out, as you can see, and now it's time to fill this green box up with the nesting stuff. So guys, after a lot of struggle, finally the cage is perfectly set up. And both of them guys troubled me a lot, especially this guy right over here. This guy was trying to escape whenever the cage door was open. So really naughty guy. Even just now when I was about to put the stick, like he was right over there, and when I opened the gate, it was coming running right to the door. So really naughty guy, and I'm gonna definitely try to train both of them. I haven't had luck till now, maybe because the cage was lower as I said earlier, and we even got the breeding box in. Oh, I think I didn't show you, I already filled it with the nesting material which I bought. So finally this cage is all done, and it's looking so good. It came out so good. It's looking a lot colorful now. Well, I really like the cage. Guys, make sure you hit that like button down below. I know because you enjoyed the video, so you have to hit that like button down below. Oh my god, let me check if I close the door properly, because this guy will open the door again, because he is always trying to open this door. So yeah, it's all good. So there you go guys, some time passed by, and wow, this looks so good. And I also changed the breeding box from there to here, because it didn't look good right over there, so I put it right over here. And I changed a few toys as well. I changed the position of them, and now it's looking more good. Wow, it's so colorful. I really like the cage, the look of the cage right now. They are so cute. I guess there are no more. See, when he tries to, imitate my whistles. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button below, because I know you did enjoy the video. So hit that like button below, and if you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button too, because I'm uploading lit videos. And with that being said, see you in the next one guys, and next video is gonna be really lit video, so make sure that you stay tuned. And with that being said, see you in the next one guys. Peace out.